This is what you call a puzzle stick. Sometimes it's called Aussie snake or blue tube. Florists use them for reed-like designs, uprights, linears, and if you want to have a really straight line for a parallel display or anything that you need for height for. But today what we're going to do is to show you what puzzle sticks are. First of all, you can bend them on different sides and you can also put them back again and to create a straight line. Unlike some of the reeds that you can find, that when you break it, it doesn't come back. This one does. So every time you do that, just bring it up again. That's good. So what we're going to do is we're going to utilize this with a geometric type arrangement by bending through to show the characteristics of a puzzle stick. Randomly cut and pushed into the foam. Like so. You can also create this by slowly cutting them around like this, and again it comes back quite straight. Another exquisite native foliage that we have is a dingo fern. The dingo fern has got more fluffy tufts compared to the koala fern. Koala fern's longer and a lot pliable. So this, as we said earlier, can be used for cascading designs, and this one can be used for an upright design. We can also use the tufts like this into the designs that we're creating. You can also separate them from the segments or the internodes, like so, and use them to cover our container. Now we can add some lilies. Smaller ones through the front. And some Brazilian ferns, or Brazilian berries, towards the back. This also gives you an interest from all the foliages that we have here are all green, as you can see. We have the textural contrast between the tufts of the dingo fern, the crunched up anthurium leaves, the puzzle sticks that gone haywire, as well as the more geometric sort of shapes on top. And we'll finally add some Brazilian berries to bring in the berry, like the round bits that we want to complete the contrast. Umbrella fern is another one that I love using because you can use them as is with a top, or you can use the underside of the leaf, which is silvery. So when you have arrangements, let's say that you can do it this way, and you can utilize the side, the silvery side, gives you a good contrast with pinks and grey flowers, or pink flowers and grey foliages. Dendrobium orchids, we can separate them, just like what we've done with the tufts of the dingo fern. We don't need a lot of the tall flowers, so we're going to utilize them a little bit short and close to the foam. Again, keeping them quite low, and gives you a bed where the stargazer or the Asiatic lily would be. Right smack bang in the middle to bring in the eye towards the center of the design. Working with the rhythm that we're creating here, and the dimension is three-dimensional. Bring in a little bit of the gerbils towards the back, and one a little bit shorter towards the front. We'll finish off with one more, a little bit shorter towards the middle. Finally, a simple branch that gives you a very dynamic line, as well as extending your negative space up here, here, across to the puzzle sticks and in between. Another design tip using beautiful Australian native greens.